Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to add WhatsApp button on Facebook page. To start the process, open your Facebook application on your mobile device. Here, tap on the profile icon on your top right. Then open your Facebook page. Now tap on profile icon. Scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. Here, go to Settings. After that, tap on Linked Accounts. Now select WhatsApp. Enter your phone number and tap on Send Code to WhatsApp. To add the WhatsApp button to your Facebook, you'll need to enter the code which they have sent you on WhatsApp. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.